The Hop, Skip, and Jump reading program offers the most natural way to read. Our software and readers guide children on a unique and powerful speech and language journey to strong reading skills. Students work their way through 12 levels of activities and spend approximately 15 hours on the software over the course of 12 weeks. We provide more than 20 different speech and language activities that strengthen foundational reading skills. Students need to use headphones because each exercise requires a response to a spoken prompt. Here is a list of the many types of activities we offer. Let's take a closer look at 4 key types of lessons. In auditory discrimination exercises, students click on the picture that corresponds with the sound prompt. The ability to identify sounds in words is a pre-reading skill.
Bow.
Click on boy. Boy.
Coat.
Click on boy.
Click on
Ice.
Ice.
click on
Pie. Pie. Key.
click on
Shoe. This activity strengthens phonemic awareness. Students hear one of 2 letters displayed on the screen, and they click on the letter that represents the sounds they hear.
click on
O. O. O.
click on click on
T. T. T.
Segmenting spoken words into speech sounds is essential to reading an alphabetic language. Regardless of age, this process is underdeveloped in every struggling reader. In this activity, students change one word into another by manipulating sounds and letters.
me to we. Me, we. Does the first sound change? Then let's change the first block.
W. W. E.
Let's change we to he. Which sound changes? We, he.
B. W. E.
Let's change he to be. Which sound changes? He, be.
B. B. E.
Some students can identify words but read at a low word-by-word pace. The following activity develops memory and retrieval processes needed for rapid automatic reading. The basketball at the bottom of the screen represents sounds. Students drag the basketball into the hoop that makes the matching sound.
Slap.
Time.
Slap. Slap.
Time. Time.
Has. Has.
Time. Time.
We've just shown you only 4 of the over 20 types of activities on the software. Each activity is played for just a few minutes to keep attention and motivation high. The reading therapy provided by sound reading software is fun and easy to use. If traditional reading instruction isn't working for your family, this is the innovative approach that you need. Developing strong foundational reading skills will ensure your child's reading success. Thanks for previewing our software. If you have any questions, please give us a call at 800-801-1954 to speak with one of our reading specialists.